Leave a message function is good to use and enabled by default. Please make sure a SD card is inserted in VTH for the function. Press to call VTH. If the host is not available, the visitor could leave a message when calling time is ended. Press the button. Press the button again to complete. Now we could already find one unread message in info. Press info. When the host is available, the visitor's message could be found.